Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Marami pa rin pong nagtatanong sa atin kung ano nga po ba talaga ang tamang proseso po sa pagpapatala o pagpapa-enroll ng ating mga anak sa mga pampublikong paaralan sa buong bansa. Yes, nagsimula na pong tumanggap ng enrollees ang ating pong mga public elementary and secondary schools nationwide. At ito po ay nagsimula noong August 16 at magtatapos sa September 13 bago po ang simula ng klase sa panuroang taon 2021-2022. So kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag-enroll, dapat na po kayong magpunta sa inyong napili na eskwelahan para po sa inyong mga anak. At kung hindi naman po kayo makapunta sa mga schools dahil nga lockdown or dahil ang inyong lugar ay under sa ECQ or MECQ, Modified Enhanced Community Quarantine, meron pong mga ibinigay na mga links ang inyong school para doon na lang po kayo pwedeng magbigay ng mga kinakailangang detalye para po sa pagpapatala ng inyong mga anak para sa panuroang taon na ito, 2021-2022. Excited na ba kayo para sa susunod na pasukan? Yes, kahit wala po tayong face-to-face, ang edukasyon ay magpapatuloy para po sa kinabukasan ng ating mga kabataang pag-asa ng ating bayan. So in this video, let me guide you through some important details on how we conduct enrollment using the remote enrollment process. All right? And this is based on DepEd Order number 32, Series 2021, otherwise known as the Guidelines on Enrollment for School Year 2021-2022. In the context of continuing national public health emergency due to COVID-19. Let me first guide you through the rationale behind this policy. So the health, the safety, and the well-being of all learners, teachers, and non-teaching personnel shall remain as the utmost priority of the department. And the scope of this policy, this guideline shall apply only for this school year 2021-2022 and shall serve as guidance to the new enrollment process, which have already started last August 16, 2021 until September 13, 2021. Habol-habol na po kasi malapit na po yang magsara. And the policy statement, these guidelines seek to ensure continued access to learning opportunities through the conduct of an enrollment process that is efficient, safe, and in line with minimum health and safety standards. So for us to understand some terminologies used in this DepEd Order number 32 Series 2021, and I know that you might be asking also yourself, what are these words or acronyms all about? So for the purpose only of this policy, the following terms are defined and understood. So AEFP stands for ALS Enrollment Focal Person, the personnel in charge of receiving the ALS enrollment form and who will also respond to the queries related to alternative learning system. ALS Form 2 enrollment form is a basic information sheet of individuals who signified interest to enroll in the ALS program of our department. At ano naman po ang balik-aral learner? The balik-aral learner is a learner who went back to school and resumed study after a year or years of dropping out or discontinuing study. And the date of official enrollment refers to the date when the parent, the guardian, or the learner himself, herself confirmed the enrollment earlier made through submission of the MLESF, or the date when the learner started to participate in any learning activities by September 13, 2021 onwards. And what about dropbox enrollment? This is a type of remote enrollment strategy where parents may just drop the accomplished MLESF in the enrollment dropbox or kiosk or booth, whichever is appropriate. Kung ano po yung ginawa ng mga eskwelahan natin, ay meron po yan silang nilagay ng mga booth for the purpose. And these are located in front of the school gate, in front of the barangay halls, and other strategic locations that are accessible to parents and guardians. Meron po tayong napansin ng mga teachers na ang mga drop boxes po nila ay nilagay mismo nila sa labas ng kanilang gate sa bahay nila. So, ang mga parents ng ating mga estudyante na malapit lang din doon sa lugar ng kung saan nandun ang bahay ng teacher ay madaling maka-access or makakuha nitong forms po para sa pag-fill up at saka sa pagbalik. Doon din po mismo. So yun po ang tinatawag nating Dropbox enrollment. And how about the GLEC? GLEC stands for the Grade Level Enrollment Chair. So personnel assigned to manage and facilitate a smooth enrollment process for a specific grade level, especially po dun sa mga paaralan na masyadong malaki ang populasyon kasi kailangan talaga na merong GLEC per grade level. Hindi po kakayanin ng school enrollment focal person kung siya lang po mag-isa ang mag-consolidate ng mga data na inyo pong isinubmite sa pamamagitan ng MLES form. And what is this MLESF? Ito po ang Modified Learner Enrollment and Survey Form. This is a tool that will be used to register learners for this school year and to gather information on household capacity to facilitate the administration of various learning modalities. Kaya nakapaloob po dyan yung mga data na dapat nyo pong i-provide sa school, just like the available devices that you have at home para po malaman natin o ng school kung ano po ba ang dapat na learning modality para po sa inyong mga anak. So kung wala kayong available na devices, of course, the school will opt to a modality that would suit all the learners' need. And also, this includes possible facilitators who can help the child, the learner at home, with regards to the lessons. At marami pa pong ibang detalye. The MLESF summary matrix form naman is a tabulation template for the selected MLESF data elements that will be used as a reference in encoding, updating enrollment quick count in LIS for the period August 16 to September 13, 2021. Actually, this is not your concern as a parent because this is for the use of the school. So, sila na po ang bahala na mag-encode sa Learners Information System or LIS. At ang data ay mula po doon sa sinagutan ninyong MLES form. And what about remote enrollment? So this is a process of registering our learners conducted without face-to-face interaction. Dahil nga po ang atin pong mga lugar, lalong-lalo na kung nasa MACQ or ECQ or yung tinatawag nating enhanced community quarantine or modified enhanced community quarantine ay talaga pong ipinagbabawal ang face-to-face na interaction between the parents and the teachers in school. And so we have this remote enrollment through the dropbox enrollment or online enrollment. And what about the school enrollment focal person or SEFP? This is a personnel of the school designated by the school head to oversee the overall conduct of enrollment and who shall also receive all your MLES forms submitted by you, parents or guardians. And how do we do now the enrollment process, especially if it's remote enrollment? Okay, so because we would like to keep with the strict physical distancing measures, enrollment for the school year 2021-2022 shall primarily be administered remotely, particularly in areas, sabi ko nga, under ECQ and MECQ. So ito po yung proseso. So for remote enrollment, it can be done through the Dropbox enrollment using the this one, the booth, the kiosk. Ito po yung mga Dropboxes po dito. Ito po yung makikita natin sa mga labas ng bahay ng ating mga kaguruan. So they actually have put these boxes. Yung isa pong box dyan ay kung saan makakakuha ng blank na MLES form. Ito namang isa ay kapag na-fill up na yung form at ibabalik, dito po ihuhulog sa filled up na Dropbox. Diyan po ang mga, ito po yung tinatawag nating Dropbox enrollment. Ito po yung kiosk kung saan makikita sa labas naman po niya ng gate ng eskwelahan. So you don't have to enter the school. All you have to do is to get a blank copy. You can go home and then fill it up at home and then return and drop it to the designated Dropbox. How about if you wish to enroll your children through online? So meron pong i-provide na link ang inyong mga eskwelahan. So through Facebook, meron pong mga posts ang inyong mga eskwelahan kung saan makikita nyo ang mga link na para po sa enrollment po ng inyong mga anak, whether it's for elementary, it's for the junior high school or senior high school for the integrated schools. So you just click the right link provided by the school. Makikita nyo po yan sa mga post nila through Facebook or other social media platforms. At meron din po na mga posters ng inyong mga eskwelahan na nakakabit. Pwede nyo po yung kopyahin. Okay? At paano nyo po yun ma-click? Dito po, kapag kinopya lang po ninyo ang link, ay dito nyo po siya ipipaste sa URL address bar ng inyo pong browser. If you're using a laptop or your cell phone, i-paste nyo lang po yung kinopya nyo. Or i-type nyo doon po sa URL address bar. And then you just click it and it will lead you to the survey form that the school has created, just like this one. Ito po ang aming survey form na ginawa sa aming school. So if you click that link, dito po kayo mapupunta. Ito po ang survey form. At ano po yung nasa survey form na ito? Ang mga detalye na kakailanganin po namin sa survey form ay kapareho lamang po ng mga detalye na kakailanganin namin sa printed na MLES form. Wala po yung pinag-iba. So, if you are already inside the survey form, you just click the next button. If you wish already to go to the next page, or if you wanted to edit your answer, you can click the back button. Okay po? Now, inside the survey form, there are asterisks. That means that that data is required to be answered. So yung item na po na merong asterisk ay kailangan pong sagutin dahil hindi po kayo makaka-proceed sa susunod na page kapag wala po itong sagot. Alright? So this is a required question to be answered. Yan po ang purpose niyan. So halimbawa na nasagutan nyo na po iyan lahat, you just have to submit. Click the submit button. Ito po yung submit button. And if you click that submit button, you will be led to the last part of the survey form. At dito po makikita nyo na your response has been recorded. So congratulations because it was recorded by the school. So if you want to edit your response, huwag nyo po munang ilabas o lumabas dun sa form na yon, kundi edit nyo po, i-click nyo lang itong edit form or submit another response. But I would suggest that you don't submit another response kasi po magdodoble po yan sa record ng school. Kasi po meron po ang school na record saan napupunta po yung inyong sinagutan na survey form. Dito po yan napupunta sa Google Sheet ng paaralan kung saan magkakaroon po sila ng consolidated na data ng lahat po ng mga sumagot sa survey form. Dito po yan mapupunta. So I'll just give you a sample of yan. Yan po ang Google Sheet kung saan napupunta yung ginawa naming survey form sa school. Dito po napupunta yung mga sagot. Ayan. So makikita po natin na ang meron pong sumagot noong August 15. Ayan po sa timestamp niya. Okay? And let me check kung hanggang ilan na po yung aming mga enrollees. Ayan po. So yan, makikita nyo. Ayan po ang aming mga enrollees. Nilalagyan po namin yan ng color kasi ibig sabihin po, yung araw na yon hanggang dun lang po kami magbibilang. Kasi araw-araw po ay nagsasubmit kami ng data sa LIS. That's how we do it in the LIS. We report the enrollment every day. Yan po. Okay, so let me check. Okay, we already have 162 enrollees for our school. And the last one to answer the survey was only today. Tama. Today lang po. Kanina lang ng alas 2 ng hapon. Kanina-kanina lang. Okay. Yan, makikita po. So, this is real time because as you answer the survey na pinakita ko po kanina, ay magkakaroon po ng detalye ang school na yan, dyan po mapupunta. So, alright? Okay. So, balik tayo dito sa ating presentation. And we are now going to give you some answers of DepEd regarding sa mga questions po ng ating mga magulang. Ito po ang isa sa mga popular na questions na tinatanong ng karamihan sa ating mga magulang o tagapangalaga. So, ang tanong, dapat bang magsubmite ng MLESF na may lagda ng magulang o tagapangalaga? Ang sagot po ng ating departamento, dapat pong isumite ng mga magulang o tagapangalaga ang sinagutang MLESF kasama ang kanilang lagda dahil nga po nangangahulugan ito na ang lahat ng impormasyong ibinigay ay tama. Gayunpaman, sa mga particular na kaso, gaya nga po ng ang impormasyon ng mag-aaral ay sa MLESF ay ibinigay sa pamamagitan ng pagtawag sa telepono o kaya'y kinakailangang kunin muna ng school enrollment focal person o ng dating advisor na mag-aaral ang pahintulot ng magulang o tagapangalaga at ipaalam sa kanila na ang mangyayaring pag-uusap ay ire-record para sa data collection. O kaya naman doon sa pinakita natin survey form, may last part doon na pangalan nyo lang ang nailagay. Wala na pong signature kasi wala pa tayong e-signature na pwede po nating apply doon. So, ito po yung sagot na sa tanong na yan. Okay? Meron pa pong tanong dito. Nairehesto ko na noon ang aking anak sa early registration para sa school year 2021-2022. Kailangan ko pa bang magsubmite ng MLESF? Yan po ang tanong. Oo nga naman, ano? Kasi meron po tayong ginawang early registration noong January. Alright? Pero, okay, so ang sagot dito, opo, kailangan pa rin magsumite ang mga magulang o tagapangalaga ng MLESF dahil may mga impormasyong kailangang mai-record na hindi kasama sa nakalap sa early registration form. Ang pagsusumite ng MLESF ay kinakailangan din upang kumpirmahin ang impormasyon ng mag-aaral. Alright po? So ito po yung mga links for downloadable enrollment forms na pwede po nating kopyahin para sa ALS enrollment form bit.ly/ALS enrollment form 2021. Please take note of the capital letter and the small letter. For MLESF for English version, you can download it through bit.ly/MLESF English 2021, or for Filipino, bit.ly/MLESF Filipino 2021. So if you still have other questions, you have some still cobwebs you want to be cleared in your head, then you just read DepEd Order number 32, Series 2021 through bit.ly/DO32S2021. And additional reminders, please be reminded that MLESF is not for sale. So kung meron pong nagbebenta sa inyo ng form na ito, report lamang po kasi ito po ay strictly not for sale. Ito po yung itsura ng ating modified learner enrollment and survey form. Ayan po. So lahat ng mga detalye na kinakailangan dito ay parehong-pareho lamang po doon sa mga detalye na inyong kailangang sagutin sa survey form through the link. Hindi nyo na po kailangang kumuha ng MLESF o mag-print. Direkta na lang po kayo doon sa link at you will be led, as I've said, to the survey form created by the school. Additional reminders pa rin para doon sa mga gustong magpatala ng kanilang mga kindergarten, ng mga estudyante, please remember that the age of kindergarten pupils, so that they will be accepted to be enrolled in a particular school, they should be 5 years old. As of when? As of when po? Sa mga private schools po na nagsimula ang kanilang mga klase noon pang Hunyo, the child should be 5 years old as of August 31. So kung ang kanyang birthday ay September 1, hindi na po siya accepted. But if the private school opened their school year, their classes, July, ang inyo pong anak ay dapat 5 years old as of September 30. Kung August naman, dapat naka 5 years old na po siya as of October 31. Same is true with those who wanted to enroll in public schools. So, for the public school, ang cut-off din po ng age para sa kindergarten ay October 31, 2021. So kung ang birthday ng inyong anak ay November 1, sorry, pero hindi na po siya matatanggap as kindergarten pupil. So most probably nasa daycare po siya mapupunta. Okay? So, ang kindergarten po is a 1-year preparatory education for children of at least 5 years old as a prerequisite for grade 1. Pwede po yung 6 years old na siya, okay? At hindi po pwedeng mag-grade 1 ang isang bata na hindi po dumaan sa kindergarten because it is a prerequisite for grade 1. Okay? So again, let me remind you that the enrollment period for this school year is from August 16 to September 13, 2021. Let's not wait for the last minute before we take actions. Enroll now. I hope this video helps. Bye.